Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2023 Ford F-150, and it comes in many trim levels. Starts with the XL, then it goes to the XLT, the Lariat, the King Ranch, the Platinum, the Limited, the Tremor, the Raptor, and the Raptor R. I had the Raptor R.
Of course, you had the top of the line F-150.
Wait till you find out how much that car, the sticker is on that truck. All right, it's a standard pickup truck. Holds 5 people, including the driver. Changes, well, it's all new for this year, the Raptor R. Okay? Exterior features include clearance lights moved from the top of the cab down to the top of the grille. Don't know why they did that, but it looks cool, but that serves no purpose.
So you don't peel them off in a covered garage.
The clearance lights on the top of the cab were there for a purpose. Now they're just in the grill to be in the grill, I guess.
Show.
Yeah. Visible skid plate under the front bumper. Big, meaty tires on beadlock rims. Graphics package. I'm not sure whether they package the graphics package with the car, and then you decide if you want them put on there, and the dealership puts it on. It used to be like that.
Is that how it happens?
That's the way it used to be. Now I think that they may be applied at the factory. I'm not sure. But it's up to you. You don't have to have the graphics package because there is an upcharge for that.
Option.
Yeah. What I liked about it, those big, fat fenders. And you know what kept them from making the fenders even bigger to hold the tires? Transporters.
Oh yeah, because they have to be able to fit on the transport truck.
The width was determined by the width of the actual transporter.
I'll be darned.
That's how they did it, because I asked the question. Anyway, interior highlights. Recaro black leather seats.
Oh, gosh.
I know it. Fold-down shifter to allow for the console cover to become a desk. Wireless phone charger allows to see the screen where it's placed.
So you like that wireless phone charger?
That's the only way to go. Don't you agree, Morris?
Well, I agree, and the one that's sitting in that vehicle I'm driving now is even better.
Yep.
Yeah, I've never used one.
Beautiful dash, big 13.4-inch screen, easy to use and understand. Plenty of storage, including under the rear seat. What I liked about it, the comfort and the well-placed controls. What could use improvement? They could do away with that shifter and go to a rotary knob. It'd be a whole lot easier.
No.
I mean, because they got it where it'll fold down anyway, so you know it's not.
It's not connected to anything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So the engine is a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, turning out 700 horsepower.
Only.
And 640 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission.
Yikes.
Tow rating is 8,700. Haul rating 1,400. It gets 10 miles per gallon in the city and 15 on the highway.
And it'll haul donkey.
Yeah.
Lots of donkey.
I got 12.6 miles per gallon
you
over
were feathering that baby.
I was feathering it all the way. I did not get into it. I didn't try to burn rubber. Nothing else. Let's see. I don't want to put gas in this thing because it's going to cost me a fortune. 358 miles is what I went. Still had to add a few gallons to make sure that I gave it back with a quarter of a tank. What I liked about it, the power, baby. What could use improvement? The power to weight ratio. This thing weighs 3 tons.
Wow.
It's a very heavy vehicle, so it loses some of that 700 horsepower through the weight that it has to haul around all the time.
So do I.
Right, yeah. Ride and handling, pretty good with steel springs and Fox shocks. What could use improvement? It's a desert runner for the street. So there's nothing really to say about what could use improvement because it's a truck made as a desert runner.
And it is the improvement over the base Raptor because this is the Raptor R, so it's a little bit more performance to it.
Right. The equipment group 802A costs $31,575, and I will assume that equipment group includes the engine upgrades and all the stuff with the V8. That's all I can think of. Base trim price, $109,145.
For the Raptor R.
Price is tested, $1,009. $100,009 and $109,740. I'm not used to those 6 figures.
Yeah, when you got that many.
Base model price is $41,530. All right. And competitors, the Ram TRX 86,250 with 702 horsepower. The Chevy ZR2.
Yeah. I don't know that I'd call that a competitor because the GM doesn't have the power that the Raptor has.
They have one in the works, a V8 supercharged with 682 horsepower. It's in the works. It's coming. Just stay tuned and cool your jets. And nothing from Toyota or from Nissan. And that's my review of the 2023 Ford Raptor F-150R.
Did it draw attention when people saw it was a Raptor R?
It didn't have the graphics package on the side.
Okay.
I'm really glad
But didn't the R on the Raptor at the end?
Yes, the RaptoR at the very end is red.
Yeah.
There you go. All right.
Signifies
want to
R.
remind everybody that the In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeart Radio app. Just look for In-Wheel Time Car Talk.